Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to be talking about all of the 2020 holiday collections. I will also say I am very sorry if you hear knocking in the background. That is because my neighbor across the street has decided to do construction on their home, and so it's just been a headache trying to record with them knocking outside. So I really wanted to do this video for you guys because I know when holiday comes around, like there's so many collections that come out, so many brands come out with so many different sets that it's kind of difficult and overwhelming to kind of choose which one is best for you, whether that's your budget or for the person specifically you're buying a gift for. So the three brands that I'm going to be talking about here and going through their collection is Jouer Cosmetics, Ofra Cosmetics, as well as Sigma Beauty. The reason why I'm only doing these three brands is because these are the brands that actually sent me their entire holiday collection via PR, and so I have it in person physically to be able to show you guys and tell you guys pricing and all of that jazz. So enough of me rambling, let's just jump right into the video. So we have four different sets here from Jouer Cosmetics. So I'm going to start off with like the least expensive thing in the holiday set and kind of work my way up in regards to price range so you guys can kind of know, have a level of expectation. So the first thing that we have here is the Paris Lights Powder Highlights and Lip Oil set. This is retailing for $34. So when you do open this bad boy out, first of all, let me just say the packaging is absolutely beautiful. Again, it is going to be limited edition customized holiday packaging. It's just Jouer Cosmetics does a beautiful job when it comes to their packaging, so I always appreciate that. No! Oh my god, it is completely broken. I was so excited for this highlighter because I was literally going to save it for myself because the color is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna try to save this because it's just, oh my god, this is getting everywhere. Do you guys see this? Oh my god, this is a wonderful way to start this video, right? But anyways, I'm gonna still show you guys. You do get the highlighter. This is in the shade Citrine, which is a beautiful gold champagne shade. It's more on the gold side than opposed to like pinky pearl or anything like that. This is such a beautiful highlight. Again, I was going to keep this for myself and I am keeping it for myself. I'm just going to try to fix it with some alcohol. And then in the set you also do get a lip oil from Jouer Cosmetics. This is really nice. I love to pop this on my lip before I'm applying my makeup, in between my makeup, so my lips are going to like stay hydrated before I apply a like matte liquid lipstick or anything like that. This is a really nice set. Again, please don't judge it off of the fact that mine broke. Again, my UPS guy just doesn't really care about my packaging, so he just throws the shit all over the place. I'm going to swatch this here so you guys can see, like, I'm telling you guys, this is such a bomb ass highlighter. I'm so sad that it broke, but I mean, like, if you are looking for a really nice set where you want to try out Jouer Cosmetics highlight formula and lip formula, this is a great set for that. And again, you can see from the swatch here, it is such a beautiful color and this is going to look bomb on our skin tone. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I gave you guys the wrong price. It's retailing for $25, but it values for $34. I'm such an idiot. Here, the next set that we have here is their Essential Lip Enhancer. This is their Sweet Deluxe Trio. This retails for $23, but it's value at $36. So basically you get 1, 2, 3 lip enhancers in here, and I think that's amazing for like only 23 bucks. I mean, come on. If you know someone that is super duper into like natural lips, natural makeup, they don't really wear lip gloss or lipstick or anything like that, this is a great gift for them. You have like 3, I guess, different flavors, if you want to call it that, of lip enhancers, lip balm. So you first have sweet mint, you have rose, and then you have vanilla. Again, I think this is so awesome and such a cute little packaging. Lip enhancers are going to be really nice if you're into like giving gifts in your stockings. I believe that's what they're called. We don't do that in my house, so I don't know, but I also feel like if you are giving someone a really nice care package with a ton of like goodies, this is a great product to include in here, because I would love to receive this as a gift. Moving on to the very last two things in the holiday collection from Jouer Cosmetics, and I am the most excited about this, and I think if there is anything that you should buy from Jouer Cosmetics for the holiday sets, it is hands down these two, and these are their lip sets, lip creams, lip glosses, and they both retail for $28 each, and in each you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you get 6 lip products. Like, that is insane for $28. So the first set we have here is the Best of Nudes. This is their deluxe lip cream and gloss set. So it is a combination of creams as well as glosses, and I just want to say Jouer Cosmetics has one of the best lip formula. Like, any of their like lipsticks or any kind of lip product that I've used from Jouer Cosmetics, I have never felt like it's super drying on my lips or it just makes my lip feel and look crazy. Honestly, this is such a bomb ass set. Say Jouer Cosmetics, if you are watching this, I appreciate so much about the color selections that you included in both of these sets, because it doesn't matter if you are the lightest of the lightest or the deepest of the deepest, you have a nude shade in here in this set that will match you perfectly. Moving on to the other lip set, this is their Best of Metallics Deluxe Lip Cream set. This also is going to be retailing for $28. Again, it does value at $36, which is an amazing price. Again, you do get 6 of their metallic cream lipsticks. Again, I'm going to be swatching all of these for you guys on my arm so you can see what it looks like. Again, it is a beautiful shade range, variation of colors in regards to metallic lip creams. I've used our lip cream formulas before and I absolutely love them. Moving on to Ofra Cosmetics, I have 3 things that I want to talk about in regards to their holiday collection. And before I get into anything, obviously I just want to say, if there's anything you want to purchase holiday or not on their website, I do have a 20% off code, which I'm going to be popping up right here. You can totally use it, because I mean, holidays are expensive, so save some money if you can. But the first thing that we're going to talk about is their brand new signature palette, and this is their Luxe palette, and this is what this baby looks like. I believe that these do retail for $32. Let me double check. Yes, these retail for $32, and I love their signature palettes. Quite honestly, I feel like it's one of the best formulas ever. And when you open this up, you have a really nice size mirror, and then you have 2, 4, 5 absolutely beautiful shades. Like, I'm not going to swatch this because I want to actually give this away to someone as a gift because I know she's going to love it. But Ofra Cosmetics Signature Palettes has one of the best eyeshadow formulas and I absolutely love them. And let me just say, if you guys been following me, you know I came out with a collab palette with Ofra, and one of the shades in my palette they included in here, which is the shade Brown. I'm telling you guys, this is such a bomb ass palette and the whole like concept of it is absolutely stunning. Ofra Cosmetics, you did a bomb job with this. Moving on, I was the most excited about this palette because I've never seen this layout before from Ofra Cosmetics, and it is their new mini mix face palette. This is called New Solstice, and when I open this up, you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. Like, I've never seen this layout before and I absolutely love it. Whoever came up with this from Ofra, you did a bomb ass job. Like, you get so much from this mini palette that it doesn't even look like a lot, but when you start using it, you're like, whoa, this is one of those palettes that you just kind of pop in your bag and you don't need anything else. So you get a bomb ass highlight. Ofra Cosmetics has the best highlights. I just said it, I don't care. You get bronzers, you get blushes, you get beautiful eyeshadows, and again, everything can be used for different things. So if there's a shade in here that's more of a bronzer shade for you, you can use it for bronzer and things like that. Well, the highlight alone is $30-something and you're getting $39 for all of this. Ofra did not disappoint because when I show you this set from them, you are going to be blown away. This is their new holiday set. This is in, or I should say, this is called Symphony, and it is going to be retailing for $49. Again, you can use my 20% off code and save some money, so don't worry. But in this little set, you do get a signature palette and you get 2 lip products. And I'm going to show you guys what they look like. Oh, damn. Ofra Cosmetics was not playing because they actually gave you 2 full-size lipsticks in this set. So the first thing that you get is a gloss. This is in the shade Bliss. This is so beautiful. I'm going to swatch it right here on my hand so you guys can see this. This is a beautiful kind of like shimmery gloss. Do you see how beautiful it like catches the light? Oh my god, I am so obsessed with this. And then the other lipstick that you do get is in the shade Pasadena, and this is their liquid lipstick. Again, you get 2 full size, not 1 but 2 full size. And I'm going to swatch this right next to it. Oh, this color, this is going to work absolutely beautiful for so many skin tones. Oh my god, and I live for colors like this. Oh my god, girl, I might just keep this set for myself. And then the icing on top of the cake is you get a full-size signature palette in this set. This is called Symphony as well, and this is kind of like that beautiful kind of like berry kind of vibe, which is so down my alley. Absolutely love this. Again, you have a beautiful highlight in the middle here. You get the highlight shade Blissful, which again can be used as an eyeshadow as well as a highlight, inner corner highlight. This is absolutely stunning. So again, out of all 3 of these, which one do I think is worth your money? Quite honestly, I think they all are. But if you were to really kind of back me up in a corner and be like, no, Waheeda, you only can choose one, I'm gonna have to say the Symphony collection is absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's move on to Sigma Beauty. And let me just say, there's a lot that Sigma came out with, and I just want to show you guys this big ass box. It can't even fit in the frame here, but I'm going to be going through all of this, and this is their brand new Rendivis. I believe I'm saying that correct. The first thing that we have here is their Petite Perfect Brush Set. This is retailing for $25, and in here you actually get 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 brushes in here. So it comes with a little kind of baggie, which is really nice if you like to travel a lot or if you like these little bags. These are bomb. And in here, again, you do get 3 rose gold mini brushes. These are the best. I talked about Sigma brushes before, and I 1000% believe that they are hands down one of the best investments you will ever make in regards to your like beauty collection, makeup, whatever it is. These brushes are the bomb.com. Moving on, we have the Rendivis eyeshadow palettes. I really hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. I feel like I'm not, but this is going to be retailing for $29. Again, everything that I am talking about is currently available. I'm also going to say, which I probably should have said in the beginning of the video, I do have a 10% off code for Sigma that works site-wide. So this is what this eyeshadow palette looks like. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So a box within a box, let me just say that, and you do get a brush in here, which is really nice. And then let me open this up. This is so beautiful. It's like that beautiful rose gold packaging. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it with all of these lights, but oh my god, how cute is this? This is what this baby here looks like. Oh, wow, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4 beautiful shimmer shades, and then you get 2 matte shades over here. If you have like that glam girl in your life that you want to buy a gift for, buy this for her, because she is going to lose her mind when she opens it up. And the fact that you do get a brush with the set, and it's only $29. Mic drop. Mic drop. Okay, we've got another brush trio. This is called their Essential Trio Brush Set. This is retailing for $29, and in here you do get 3 brushes in here. Let me just open this up for you guys. So this is what, the beautiful packaging again is that beautiful rose gold. And then you open this up and you've got all 3 of the brushes in here. Like, honestly, this is just so darn cute. Like, if you have someone in your life that is like your little niece, your nephew, whomever, and they're now starting out with makeup, if there's someone who loves to travel, this is a great gift for them. And again, it's only $29. Moving up a little bit with price range, we have their Rose Glow Cheek Duo. This is going to be retailing for $35. And in here, what you do get is a beautiful rose gold blush. This is a rose gold brush. And then over here you have the beautiful glitter gold packaging, and this is again their Rose Glow Cheek Duo. You get a beautiful blush shade over here as well as a beautiful highlight shade. It's kind of like that beautiful champagne gold with a little bit of pearl in it, and this blush here is going to work for so many skin tones. Moving on, we have the Beloved Mini Lip Set, and this is retailing for $39. And in this set you get a beautiful rose gold bag, which is absolutely stunning. Like, honestly, I would use this when I'm going out as like a damn wallet because I don't want to carry a whole bag. This is so cute. And in here you get 3 lipsticks, and I believe these are all like their shimmer glitter lip glosses. So I'm going to be swatching these for you guys so you can see the color ranges that you do get. Okay, this is what these 3 glosses look like. I absolutely love this. I actually have all 3 of these shades in my collection full size, and I love them. They are so darn beautiful, and they are so just like, you can actually see the glitters. Again, I definitely think that Sigma Beauty has one of the best glitter glosses that I have ever used. Alright, now for the very last thing that is in the Sigma holiday collection, and this is the mother load of holiday sets, and it is their Rendivious makeup collection, and this is retailing for $88. And this is the mother load, and the reason why I say this is because you get so much in here. First of all, you get a beautiful velvet pink, dusty pink bag, which can be used for so many different things. Your toiletries, when you are going on vacation, whether you're just popping it in your bathroom, whatever it is, this is such a beautiful bag. And in here, what you do get is you actually get all 3 of the glosses that I just swatched for you guys. So you get all 3 of these. You get the Rose Glow Cheek Duo, which I just showed you guys a few minutes ago. And then lastly, you also do get the Rendivious eyeshadow palette, again in the same rose gold packaging. You get all of this including the bag for only $88. Again, if you feel like that's a little too expensive, you can also use my 10% off code and help to bring the price down just a little bit. Again, if you were to ask me which one is more worth your money than the others, it's so hard because I feel like all of the sets for Sigma they're all worth the price, like, to be very honest. But I will say the first thing that I would buy would be this. This is the Beloved Mini Lip Set. It comes again with the bag with the 3 lip glosses. I feel like everyone will love this. The second thing that I would purchase is this. This is the Rose Glow Cheek Duo. And then the last thing is, if there is the makeup chick or guy in your life that you don't know what to buy him or her, get him or her this, because they are going to absolutely love this. This is again the Rendivious makeup collection that retails for $89, and you get everything in here. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know down below what you guys are going to be purchasing, what you guys think is more worth your money than the others. Also, I will be linking everything down below in the description box, so if there's anything that you want to purchase, you can do so. And my coupon code and all of that jazz will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!